We're reviewing a Play at Home small refrigerator for the toys. So inside it features lights. It powers up two small AA batteries. So it has a ketchup and a wrench. It has a Coca-Cola bottles and a Pepsi-Cola bottles. Some juice, milk cartons, I think they made out of plastic, and 2 bottles of fresh milk. Also there's some eggs over here, and let's see what the little bucket, ice bucket I'm assuming. On the lower page we have cabbage and bananas with grapes. The top doors opens as well, and it features this little thing over here. What it does, on top it has a loaded container for the ice. Sorry, I don't have ice, but you can put ice in there. And there's another one. You can see there's chicken inside. All pieces slides out and slides back in. Feature a little cake. Okay. Well, you close the doors, and on the back you can see there's a jar for the battery and the speaker. So let's use that cup right here. That's basically how it works. When you place the cup right there, you have to close the doors, the lights does not come off. And here how it works. Okay, we got the glass of water. That's basically a review on Play at Home refrigerator. Also, I have this little Play-Doh stove. I have no idea I was given that, if this is came with it, but might as well have it inside. This one, I'm not sure if it's featuring any sounds. This thing's spinning, but no sounds. Alright. Very nice.